Hey guys, today we're going to make some ribs. They're a bit different, but they're quick, easy, and delicious. So let's get started. So let's begin with our simple marinade, which consists of a cup of pineapple juice. And pineapple juice is so healthy and so yummy, I just love it. A quarter cup of soy sauce. This is low sodium, but you can use the soy sauce of your choice. And about a teaspoon of pepper. And that's it. It doesn't get much simpler. And we'll just give this a mix up here. You can use your hands and some gloves too if you want. And if you have lots of time, you can leave this marinate for an hour or so, or even overnight. But I'm just going to leave it for a few minutes. I just want to get this done because I'm hungry. Next up, I'm going to add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. This is about a tablespoon. Place the ribs in, and we're going to fry these up in batches until we get a nice sear on them. And of course, we're going to rotate these around. Once we got some beautiful color happening here, I'm just going to set these aside on a plate. Oh my goodness. And just look at this, guys. Isn't this incredible? And oh my goodness, guys, this smells delicious already. And we've only just begun. Now, in the same pan, you don't want to touch this because it's got all kinds of nice flavors happening. I'm going to add in half an onion that I've chopped up. 3 cloves of chopped garlic to keep those vampires away. And a tomato that I've sliced up. And we'll give this a stir and saute it just until that wonderful smell of garlic and onion fill the air. Next up, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Now you can use barbecue sauce if you like. I just use ketchup to make it just a bit more neutral. Yummy ketchup. And of course that wonderful marinade, you can't forget that. Half a cup of water. Now you can use pork stock, beef stock, whatever you like. And just give this a stir and bring it to a boil. Now we'll add the beef back in, or the ribs back in, I should say. Oh, this is going to be so good, guys. Yeah, I should mention these are pork ribs, not beef ribs. So we're going to slip a lid on this and reduce the heat a bit and let it simmer away until those ribs are nice and tender. After 15-20 minutes, just look at this, guys. Doesn't that look incredible? Wow. And it smells just out of this world. Now we're going to add in a bell pepper that I've chopped up. And I use the red, I just like the color, but you can use green, yellow, whatever you have. Half a cup of frozen peas. And to make it nice and creamy, half a cup of marbled cheese. And you can use old cheddar, whatever you like. Then we'll just give this a stir up until everything is nicely combined. Wow. And we'll just let this simmer away for an additional, I'd say 5 or 10 minutes, just till everything comes together nicely. After about 5 minutes or so, guys, we are done it, and this looks incredible and smells even better. So we're ready to plate this up. Okay, let's plate this up and start with some of those beautiful ribs. Don't these look smashingly wonderful, guys? Some of that simply divine sauce over the top. And you know what, guys? This would be absolutely fantastic over mashed. I mean, rice would be good too, but just mashed, a nice mash would be spectacular. And you know what I'm going to do here, guys? Crazy as I am, I'm going to grate a little bit more of sharp cheddar cheese over the top, just for that extra little bit of bite. Oh, wow. You don't have to do this, but, you know, that's what I like. And there you have it, guys, our cheesy, easy, creamy pork ribs. Say that 30 times fast. Absolutely wonderful. All right, let's grab one of these up. There's really no dainty, fancy way of doing this, but just look at this, guys. Wow. And I just love that cheese over the top. Can hardly wait to dig in. And as always, a ribby cheers. Okay. Wow. These are really good. They're tender. They basically fall off the bone. And the taste of that pineapple in them is soaked in. It's just incredible. Can you imagine if you marinated these overnight? I just love my meat for 30 minutes, guys. Oh, you got to make these. And like I say, the sauce is so good over mashed. Of course, I'm going to eat more. And as always, for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. Radio station is still there, so tune into it. And we're coming up to that 1 millionth. We only have about 900 and some odd thousand to go. So subscribe if you haven't already done so and pass the good word around. Hit that like button if you like what you saw. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.